Hello, everyone. Today, let's take a deep dive into the latest, most updated version of how to sign up for the Bybit exchange. Before we even get started, go ahead and click the link I've provided in the See More description section or the pinned comment section right below this video. If you sign up through that specific link, you can actually receive a massive 55% fee discount on your trades. All right, once you're on the page, go ahead and proceed with the sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number, whichever you prefer. Once you have entered your ID or email, you'll need to write your password below. Make sure to set the password to be at least 8 characters long, include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number. Now, if you entered through my link, you'll notice the referral code is automatically entered for you. If not, don't worry. Just manually enter the code EN111. After that, simply check the terms and conditions agreement and click the button that says Get My Welcome Gifts. Drag the puzzle piece to the blank space to prove you're not a robot. Then a 6-digit verification code will be sent immediately to the email you just entered. Go ahead, check your inbox, and enter it right here. And just like that, your membership registration is officially complete. From now on, let's proceed with the KYC identity verification. Look for and click the yellow Get Verified Now button. First, just double check to see if your country is selected correctly in the dropdown. Then select the checkbox below and click Confirm. You'll need to select the specific type of ID you will use for identity verification, like a passport or driver's license. Check the necessary points for taking a clear photo of the ID and then click Proceed. Now, since ID photography isn't really supported on a desktop PC, you should select Continue on Phone to generate a unique QR code. If you scan that generated QR code with your mobile phone, you can move right to the next step. Click Continue. Quickly check the precautions for taking a photo and move to the next screen. Click Continue. Align your ID card and take the photo. Next is the facial recording. Click Continue. After a short while, when you return to your PC screen, you can confirm that your identity verification was successful when you see that green verified mark. Next up, let's set up your two-factor security authentication. To transfer or withdraw any funds from Bybit, a two-step verification setup is strictly required for your own safety, so you must set it up right away. You're going to need the Google Authenticator app for this process, so please go ahead and download it from the App Store in advance if you haven't already. Now let's follow along together from the main screen. Click on the Profile section in the top right to go to your account settings. From there, click Security. Now, find and click the Settings button located right next to Google 2FA Authenticator. You'll need to enter another 6-digit verification code sent to your email for security. Now turn on your Google Authenticator app on your phone and click the Add a Code button in the middle. Select Scan a QR code and scan the QR code showing on your PC screen. Then a new 6-digit OTP code specifically for Bybit will be generated on your phone. Just write it here on the site and click Confirm. And there you go. This concludes our full guide on how to sign up and secure your account on Bybit. If you found this video helpful today, please make sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching,